Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be learning about some background components, a background color, how to add a background color to your text. And it's something we've been doing, but I'll just go over it. And also we're going to learn about how to add a background image on our webpage. So I'll use a paragraph. Say I have welcome again. I'll give the paragraph an ID. So we'll have the same thing that happened with H3. I don't want the styling I'm giving to paragraph to affect other paragraphs I have. I think we have, we don't have a paragraph. Oh yeah, we have a paragraph. So I've given the paragraph an ID. And how do we call an ID? By using an hashtag welcome. So I want to give welcome back a background color. It basically means adding a color to the background of your text. That is basically what it means. All right, so having done that, let's proceed to see how we can add a background image on our web page. Now I have some pictures right here. I've added it already. I explained that in the HTML tutorial video, how to import your picture from anywhere to your text editor. All right, so I'll just put a div right here, and I'll give this div a class of, let's say, ing, which also means image. And inside that div, I want to have another div. Let's say welcome to another coded class. All right, so we have a container, which is class ing, and we have a content, which is welcome to another class. Now, what we want is that we want this text to be on the image. That is why it is called background image. So you can have elements on the background. You can have elements on the picture or whatever you want to do. Now you can even have a background image on a background image. You can have an image on a background image. The main difference between using this tag, the ing tag, src attributes, is that once you're using this, you won't be able to put anything on it. It's just simply an image. It's just an image. You can't put anything on it. But once you're using a background image, you can put text, you can put pictures, you can put anything on it because it's a background image. All right, so I have my container and I have my content. So I'll just call the class name ing and use the property, which is background image URL. Now this URL also means the source. So where is the image located and what is the name of the image? So say my image is inside an images folder, I'll need to write images / the name of the picture. But my picture is not inside a folder, so I'll just simply write KD background. That's the name of the picture, .png, the file extension, and I'll give it height of, say, 500 pixels. So once I open this in browser, I'm going to have my pictures scattered all over the screen. The reason for this is because the picture is not big enough to take the entire width of the screen. So that is why it's looking like it's repeating itself, like duplicating itself. So we can fix this by using a property. We can simply use background repeat. We can say no repeat. So the picture is just going to be one. We're just going to have one picture there. but this doesn't look really nice. And we can also have something else. If you're not using background repeat, we have another property called background size. So the possible value for background size is contain and cover. Now the difference is, if I am using cover is going to try to fit into the screen. That is cover. Cover will try as much as possible to fit into the screen, to take the entire width of the screen, to cover the screen. So that is why we have the picture looking really massive. And we have another one, which is contain. So contain will just contain the screen. It can become 2 or 3, but as much as it contains the screen, the width. So these are the possible values for background image. You can use background size, you can use either contain or cover our background repeat, no repeat. And there are other ones. We have background attachments, fixed, and a few others. We're going to check it out as we progress in the video. So this is all about adding background color and background image, adding an image on your web page. And don't forget the difference. Okay, I forgot to talk about this text. Now we can see that we have a text right here. Welcome to another coding class. Now this text is on the picture, is on the image. If we're using image, the ing-src, we won't be able to do that. We won't be able to add the text on the image. But since we're using a background image, we are able to add anything on it. So we can even add an image on a background image. We can add a background image on the background image. We can have a text on a background image. All right, so I hope this was really easy to understand, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.